Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about drawer organizing systems. OpenSpace is a flexible drawer organizer system that utilizes plastic profiles, steel drawer dividers, and wooden boxes in a freeform manner. So how does OpenSpace work? Well, with OpenSpace, you place vertical plastic profiles at the front and back of your drawer. Now these profiles come in 1200mm lengths that you trim to order. You then place your selection of metal dividers into your drawer, slotting the ends into the plastic profiles, which hold the dividers in place. Metal dividers are available in both black and white and in two different heights. The taller ones at 129mm are ideal for holding stacks of plates or bowls in place. You can also add wooden boxes in two sizes, which are ideal for holding small, easily lost items. Now here's a nice idea. To truly customize your OpenSpace drawer setup, place drawer liners, wallpaper, wrapping paper, or even the kids' artwork into the bottom of the drawer before you position the OpenSpace components.